Yakani Bah Bindo ulakran hagajing alang pat ba ban pynpaw ya gajing ma kabami na gajing di drugs kabla penlong da kaseng samla malki SSM manakasi palay jong katayo hamadan malki uloong ba lalap haki por ba menshwa ba ki batu kaliru ki pulit ki don kti bat ki pulit ru lalap ba ki don kti haki kam sniew bat mentaru lada ki pulit kim don kti ha kani ka kam kumnu kan kiyo kani gajing di drugs apo ka jela bat ka jingpoi uni umar sha Meghalaya uloong ru bala donkam ban pen klanchu shu yaki an bat kumju ba ki pulit ki dei ban treshi tom ban rat ding khong ya kani ka kam di bat khayi drugs ha Meghalaya hagaju ko por loong ba ya kani ka mat nagaliang ki MLA bat kumju ki menteri sarkar ki dei ban yakran hayeng dorbar thawan jong ka sarkar bat ki MDC ru kin yakran ya kani ka mat hayeng dorbar ka KHADC
habakala khanu paru ki drugs cartels bat ki wei ki badon kumta hakne ka kam kim saya bakinang penroy shu bangi about drugs kini jindi pembuat pembiak yang real nangjur betul. The drug trafficking is getting stronger and stronger every day, despite a very strong act that we have now. Take it down. What is the cause of all this? Ying is trying to come and climb Shushu. You don't come and climb Shushu, you can ask the police. Pulit ini macam terish tau. Nampak ni lalap kipor dengan Shuwa, with due respect to all of us here, with respect to the real sokar penumi. Betul kali itu, pulit kita. Sekarang ini pulit. Kita ki pulit ki baron kesti yang itu kami. Bat kita ki pulit ki baron kesti yang kam sniew bahuan ki gai bat mentaru ni trai lada mendai bat ki pulit ki don kesti yang kam. Kumno kan klan kami di drop seru kami bat kajing jur penduduk la kajing pendroi bat kajing koi di drops nak leng di atas. We have very good police officers. Kita mesti buat kita mendekat di officer. Di pulut kita barit kita betul betul kita buat di pulut kita. But we have to check the black sheep. Even have police department. We have to check it. Ini kita program sebut yang sekarang orang assembly ni negara. Nanti tambah ni no to drugs. We say no to drugs. Kita bilang nonsense say no to drugs. Today we will reach drugs to your house. Bilang, bagani kita sniew, sniew ha, nakata ka sorga kani menong kan, menpay kani menta, habang sorga kanu, police kini berklan ha, magkidon ki black sheep kung yung namar lalat iki drugs, na yen sipayo, ni lalat iki drugs magkidon, wala ki jaga protection ki police, kanu lalat ki asam jimen asam rifles kung tangan. Kamu sipayo kidon, tilang, lapat lang ki Idon ginong tres organ ni ron tilang litibi lumda kumta kumno ki kena sama ni jadi openly thanong paring ngai gindu iram basunam jong jadi openly gitu thanong paring ni ki baydon hamne midai ban wan da kamansim ke basung kia halu kata ba midai ban long mangi all of us together we don't have only to say no to drugs, no, not that is not enough. We have to see that no drug addiction exists in our society. We have to report to the authorities, report to the headman, report to the police, report to the deputy commissioner, report to the MLAs, report to the MDC and all that. This is what we do. We will be able to root out drug addiction if all of us take this step and take this responsibility now onwards.
Haba ay jingkran na katiga jingilang, ikong ampuri nila ong baladon manu baterwa yaw drugs, day ban kintad, ba pentip siya kibor ki bahalor persya ya kini kibriyo ki bawan terwa yau. Ilaong ru baga sarkar Meghalaya ka day ban bud diani, ya ka sarkar Mizoram ka bawanra ya ka an ka baya day badu drugs. Nagaliang SPCT ba SA rinja ulaong ba kinu kibriyo ki bale ya ki kam ki balong persya ya ka an omdan jaka banri Henry kinsha kem haki pulen ulaong ru ban lat na kini ki kena samla ki day ban ong yaw drugs namar kapor menta ka long ba ki kena puli ki day ban pledging mut hagajing puli khnang ban yo ya ka lawai ka ba pranai.
We are there from the police department. We will guide, We will take care of these people who are trying to spoil your lives, and we are trying our best. Even in the incident which happened, where sadly Mr. Hafiz Nongri had lost his life, we made sure that with the help of so many other people, we managed to arrest the culprits who are responsible for this, and they are inside now, and we will make sure that they get the full punishment for the crime that they have committed. So also, if any of you have an inclination or are thinking of trying out this thing, please remember the law is there, the police is there. You can run, but what? You can never hide. We will catch you, we will get you. So the best thing is say no to drugs, forget all these things. Your time now is to study. You have to get through. Now being a graduate is just the minimum qualification. Don't think that you finish class 10 or class 12 and you'll be, no. Any job that you ask for most and you look for, they look for a graduate minimum qualification. So first of all, it's your studies, your physical fitness, your parents, your peers, your friends. See that you lead a straight life and you have a target in life. I'm very sure you will all make it.
Hagani jingalang lawan banya shimbenta de ki khinna school ki badana ka than ringkat ki nong hikai kirang bash nong kamal ki MLA kaniga constituency kong amperin lingdo mentri katna ka koi ka khia ka sarkar jilla uba AL hek ki bahayeng hasem uba harpish bat ki bei
If you can rule yourself, you do not allow anybody to rule you, not your friends to influence you. If they keep perlok barong you pee, bashim you no drugs. They ma pee the day barong yes. Mga kan sincere mga dalade yeladi. Kada mga dalade yeladi kan not sincere cannot rules to myself who will influence me. What will influence nga? The day na kada daw maong magikot ito kipi baro, mangi barong di bandong kada ka very strong willpower. Ka strong willpower ka juging di bandan. Kanang bagin light na kadung kijing sniew. Lada mga abat mapi. Lada ginamna abat sincere dalade yeladi. Lada ka willpower juging ka tulad. Lada gigitip how the drugs has ruined you, has ruined the society, has ruined the state. The day that the daw we caught bagi where the people baro. Mandaga ski bagi don hangne, it should not be only the showcase that we are coming here to assemble in this gathering that to say no to drugs, but it has to be implemented in the true spirit, in the letter of the spirit. Nandaga daw wangi people baro that meet and they jaga. When we go out from this place, we should tell ourselves first. Ini ban ong shoy ladi. Ba mga ngamde ban shimyo drugs.
Hagatiga sngi wat apdeng u slap ki khina school ki layat pat ba ne ya rally ringkat ki jing tho berta ban pynpaw ya jing persha ya ga jing jile drugs hagajala bat kumjo ban pin remi ki tu ki brio ki badan kti ban pin yap dusman yo ba harpish nongbri ki khina puli ki lara ya ki jing tho berta ki bela tho to ong ha ot ya ga jing im bat em yo drugs ai jing bishar bade hok om ya ga jing isne pinchi tom ya ki badan kti bat ki wei de